Each year, approximately 670,000 dogs have been euthanized in U.S. shelters.
More than 50% of the fur in the U.S. comes from China, where they are bled and skinned.
There are up to 2,000 reported cases of animal hoarding in the U.S. each year, resulting in more than 250,000 abuse cases.
The most common form of abuse for dogs is either physical abuse or neglect.
Every year, about 10,000 bulldogs die because they have been bred to fight for gambling or entertainment.
Stop abuse today.